Mhm. Okay, I'm recording this. I forgot to make a recording for the previous one. But definitely this one is good. I'm going to send it after we're done. So you can watch it over and over. Fine. So measures of position, né? What is very important here? It's knowing the quartiles and knowing the percentiles, né? To consider this, right? What's very important here, né? Lower quartile, like they highlighted it, upper quartile, right? The lower quartile is the median of the number that occurs before M, right? I'm going to explain that part. Yeah? The first quartile is Q1. The median is called the second quartile. Yeah? It's called this because of if you look at quartiles, they divide the set in 4 parts. Yeah? This can be our data set. This can be our data set. Yeah? This is our data set. Right? So we'll have something like this. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. When they say it divides the dataset into 4 parts, this is what you look at. 1, 2, 3, 4. Q2, it's the middle term. It's the middle term. It's our median. Our median, it's the middle term. Right? So, they say the median is called the second quartile, Q2 or M. The upper quartile is called Q3, like illustrated here. The 3 quartiles divide into 4 quarters. This is not important. 1 quarter of the data values are less than lower quartile and 3 quarters of, yeah, this is not very, it's not that important, right? So we'll look at the steps. Number 1, order the data, right? Smallest to biggest, very important. Smallest to biggest, this is very important. You align your data into ascending order. If I have 5, 9, 2, 6, this is not in ascending order. It's not. So I have to firstly align it into ascending order. So it's 2, 5, 6, then 9. This is what they mean when they say smallest to biggest, ascending order. It's very important. Then you find the median, right? Find number 2, find the median of the lower half. Exclude the median of the entire set. This is the lower quartile. This is what they mean. Something is disturbing me right now. Yeah, sure. This is what they mean when they say find the median of the median. Median is a synonym. Median is a synonym for middle, right? Don't get confused of the word. Exclude the median of the entire set, right? And then step number 3, find the median of the upper half, lower half, and upper half. So this is what we're gonna do. This is where we're going. So they made an example for that. Né? Here's example number 8. We'll look into example number 8. Calculate the data set. Calculate the data set of the following, the quartiles. They want the quartiles. So for number one, let's see. Okay, this is arranged in smallest to biggest. A, it's arranged smallest to biggest. So we don't need to do that. We just need to find the median. Okay? So we're gonna count. This is the formula like we've been using. Half n plus 1. That's the formula. That is the position. You see, it's the position of the median. It's not the median. The median. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that 6, the sixth position, that value is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth position, it's 7. That is why they got 7 here. You see, the median is the sixth value. It's 7. It is the value in the data set. So that is our median. And then the lower half of the data set. Now, if we're going to calculate, remember here, for step number 2, here's step number 2. Find the median of the lower half. Meaning, find the middle term of the lower half. That is Q1. You started with Q2, which is the middle one, and now you look for Q1. Q1, it's here. We exclude this one now, right? So these are the values you are dealing with. These are the values you are dealing with. That's where they take them. Yeah. This is the lower quartile, right? So from here, you can actually see for the middle term of this quarter. Q4. We don't even need to calculate it. It's in the middle, right? But if you were to calculate the quartile, well, you're gonna do it next year, né? Where your Q1 is equal to the position of Q1 is equal to what? A quarter. N plus 1. This is for Q1, right? Well, but not at this stage right now. So I find that the half, the middle term of the quarter is 4, right? And then the upper, which is this part here. Okay, 2D, you're saying by the lower half, do you mean the numbers before the median? Yes, these are the numbers before the median. Yeah, these are the numbers before the median. You can actually, oh, Mutondi. Mutondi. Forgive me for that. Yeah, these are the numbers before the median. So the upper, it's after the median. These are the upper. It's after the median. I'm going to have a 1, 2, 3. I can see that 9 is in the middle. 9, here 9 is in the middle, right? So I've answered my question now. I've answered the question. I found the upper quartile. This is Q3. This is Q3. This is Q1. This is Q1. And then this one here, 7, it's Q2. It's Q2. Sure. Any questions? If you don't understand, it's very important to speak now or forever hold your peace. Okay, sharp. Number 2. Well, number 2 is pretty the same thing. Okay, it's not the same thing. We can see here the data was even. The data was even. Oh, it was odd. And then we also have odd data set here. Odd data set, odd data set. But now, after getting Q2, oh, that's the first step. They got Q2. 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 The lower half of the set Here, lower half. Here, lower half. These values right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 5, right? So the lower half, it's even now. Our 6 values, even, it's even. So if it's even, né? Remember what I said. If a data set it's even when you divide it into halves, if it's even, the middle, the median, the quartile will not be part of the values in the data set, right? So we have 6 values, so we get 3,5 as a position. Guys, please, even in exams, a lot of learners make mistakes when it comes to lower quartile, position, and the value. If you use a formula, you get the position, not the value. Very important. So here they got the position, here position 3,5. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. This is 4, it's not 3,5. 3,5 is right here, right? So the position of the lower quartile, it's between 4 and 5. Do you see? The lower quartile is the average between 3 and the 4th value. It is not the value in the, this is very important, I need to highlight this. This is very important, né? Very important. I don't know, write it somewhere, né? Or you write it when you look at the video, right? It is not the value in the lower half. It is not the value in the lower half. It is between the 3rd and the 4th value. It's between those values. Sharp. And then we'll continue with this. So in the upper, same thing with the upper. It's not the value. It's not the value in the upper. It is between the 3rd and the 4th. In this case, the 3rd and the 4th, it's 8 and 9. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Right? You can see here. Here it is how they actually represent the quartiles now. So it's the same thing. So here's an exercise. Here is an exercise. Here is an exercise. So I'm gonna want you to do these on your own, on your own, on your own, on your own, on your own. These are the questions on your own. On your own. Exercise 3. On your own. These are on your own. On your own. We're not gonna do them here. On your own. We won, meaning we won. Upuzai won. Okay, that was wrong. Supposed to say that. Okay, sharp. Percentiles. I think I sent it. I sent a thing. This summary of percentiles. So I'm going to explain the percentiles. Is there anyone that struggles with quartiles? Quartiles, raise up your hand if you're struggling with quartiles. If you are struggling with quartiles, let me know. We move into percentiles. We move into percentiles. And tomorrow we won't be doing any, we're gonna do the workbook. We're gonna be working with the workbook. And they are exam type questions. So speak now or forever hold your peace. Sharp, which I'm assuming